Hi everyone, my name is Casey Ayers, and welcome to my course, the Business Analysis Technique Toolkit. Business analysis efforts create tremendous value for organizations of all kinds and sizes, but doing so requires analysts to apply a broad range of techniques to accomplish their roles successfully. In this course, we'll explore the wide variety of tools you have at your disposal as a business analyst in order to help usher your organization through change initiatives, including those that are related to strategic thinking, eliciting information from stakeholders, modeling solutions, conducting analytical analysis, managing change initiatives, and reviewing your work designing and deploying new solutions. By the end of this course, you'll have gained familiarity with the tools and techniques that encompass the many tasks that analysts complete throughout the business analysis lifecycle. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with some of the principles of business analysis in order to better relate to the material that we'll discuss. This course is part of our ECBA and CCBA prep series, helping you prepare for the certifications offered by the International Institute of Business Analysis. It can also help you earn continuing education credits for these and other certifications like the CBAP, and is still a great resource for you if you're just looking to improve as a business analyst. I hope you'll join me on this journey to improve your business analysis skills with the Business Analysis Technique Toolkit here at Pluralsight.